three pressure groups under the umbrella of Kasur Unong Maulai, comprising of the KSU, FKJGP and HNYF, on Monday staged a sit-in demonstration at Civil Hospital Junction demanding the immediate suspension of 3 police officers involved in the raid which led to the killing of former HNLC leader Cheristafil Thankeu on August 13. The sit-in demonstration was also supported by the RBYF. However, it may be mentioned that pressure groups that include the HYC, the Seng Samla Maulai Pelun, the HANM, MIPF and others were not part of the protest.
Step jom khalai tarik jom punai Agos bila keren nak basai baka jingle jom sarkar lamba ka polis batman ngenamla ban tiang bat ngenamla ban kubur lanu lulu bila pra ila karo bagi kam ya salah hakasnya kiri ban kun bat kiri ban damno habanga keren ya kata ngapen kenmau bakum kaseng ilamat jaga ju ka jingjia hakisnam ki manswa haba kinulam jong KSU jelas hak jubur hak puli jong sorka kamda kam kamda tian bisar ban pendon kam baka jing bisar kadai do puli ngaso menong kadai kai kam kemola ban priang ban nyem ong ru baka disihar kadar jong pajba ada ke jibut don kam bakla ya kebor tak tiar bagi dan tolong kaklemat kebani hak ban persu bani haban bu kecing keli sarkar gai bahaban pensai persu sampai ba ai gai ba kasar berbele angli sakmat kasur jeng pajba jong beri nyotrep paper nak dong kisnong paper iyo i hekini kisgi didawa ba kasar ka kadi bersngap kadi buram ya kasur jong pajba handai kumbakalong hadu mata nakaliang jong menteri rembak ni dan sen bola keren sai banamla ban persangit terikam na ban act of suspension yang dikilangut ke hek pulit mipan ka jing persai kai ka daw pemla ban act of suspension markanuren mengingi yang bandawa kalau persangit terikam baka namdan kununo kecing tanpa dia tak evidence ngigua kecing bisa pahok kebeluan kena mo ko begini jing cia kem de show pedang cia nang ni sman hapo jong beri nyutrat ni bro kawai